Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the ERR SSL protocol error in Chrome browser. So let's go quick into the process. I will just share to you a very simple resolution for this. So in the Windows search bar right here, you need to type Internet Options. That will appear under the best match. So just go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you'll find General, Security, Privacy, Content, Connections, Programs, and the Advanced tab. Go to the fourth tab, which is the Content tab. And here you'll find this option, Clear SSL State. Click on that. The SSL cache was successfully cleared. Click OK. And before you can close the window, click on the Advanced tab, which is the last tab. Scroll down and you'll find this option, Use SSL 3.0. Check that. Use TLS 1.0, check that. Use TLS 1.1, check that. Use TLS 1.2, check that. Use TLS 1.3, check that. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And then finally, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.